I predict Cosmo's gonna get up and start licking Sammy any minute now. I kind of know their routine by now. And Sammy's expecting it, of course. But for now, it's just peaceful. So I gotta be patient because I gotta try to catch them in the act. Yep, here we go. I know my cats. See who licks him. And then Sammy's gonna grab him around the neck and lick him on the forehead. And then they're gonna start play fighting and chasing each other. I know their routines. Yep, he's trying to be sneaky, make it look like he's not interested. But what he's really doing is just trying to fake him out and go back. I'm really surprised if he doesn't come back. He's definitely gonna come back later. Yeah, he's gonna go have a snack first. Yeah, Sam is just chilling. So he's got his paw off the ground, his hind paw. Cats are comfortable in the strangest positions. See? It's completely off the ground. Why would you do that? I don't know. But he's so cute, so that's all that matters. He's the sweetest. Right, Sam? Sam, right? There's the slow blink.